To connect Redmi Buds 6 into your iPhone, first of all, you will have to start by grabbing charging case and open this cover with both earbuds inside. Then you will have to rotate your charging case and you will have to take a look on this button. You will have to click and hold it and wait until this indicator lights up. Then release when it is blinking. Go into settings and you have to just go into Bluetooth, turn it on, and from other devices list select Redmi Buds 6. When you are connected, you can also go into App Store and get Xiaomi Earbuds application to use all features of this device. So you will have to just accept everything. You can select your region if the default one is not correct. Click skip and click allow. After a few seconds we will be successfully connected. There we go.